Babe, are you okay?
I'm fine.
You look angry.
I said I'm fine.
You slammed the door.
The door was being difficult.
You threw your phone.
It needed to fly.
You're definitely not fine.
Fine.
There! You said fine again!
Because apparently I'm not allowed to say anything else. Babe, what do you want for dinner?
I don't care. You choose.
Pizza?
No.
Burgers?
No.
Chinese?
No. I don't know.
Great, we're having nothing.
Perfect.
How is that perfect? Seriously, tell me what you want to eat.
I don't know. You choose.
Okay, pizza?
No, I'm not in the mood for pizza.
Burgers?
Too heavy.
Pasta?
I had pasta yesterday.
Tacos?
I don't feel like tacos.
Sushi?
Maybe.
Maybe means yes or no.
It means...
Okay. Chinese?
Actually, that sounds good.
Great, Chinese it is.
But I'm not
That's
really
not how
hungry.
hunger works.
It's how I work.
Fine. What do you want from the Chinese menu?
You choose.
We are going in circles.
No, we're communicating.
We're negotiating a hostage situation. Are you ready to order? Yes.
No.
Take your time. We've been taking our time since the Stone Age.
Don't rush me.
I'm not rushing you, I'm just hungry enough to eat the menu.
Fine. I'll have noodles.
Great, I'll have the same.
Actually, I'll have pasta. What?
Nothing.
Why are you making that face?
Because I finally understand the meaning of I don't know.
What does it mean?
You will choose until I like your choice.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Thank you.
Can I try your burger?
No.
Just one bite.
You said you weren't hungry.
I'm not.
Then why do you want my burger?
Because yours looks better.
Of course it does, it's mine.
Please on bite?
Fine, one bite. That was half the burger!
I said one bite.
That was a chapter!
Can I have one of your fries too?
No,
Why?
because you ate half my burger.
Fine.
Hey!
What?
You just took my fry!
It's just one.
You said that about the burger!
That was different.
How?
The burger was bigger.
So your logic is bigger crime, same excuse?
Exactly.
I married a lawyer.
Does this happen with you too?
Especially the I don't know.
If you've been through this,
Comment below
and don't forget to like.
and subscribe to our channel.
Bye! Hi.
Hi, are you Eve?
Yes, I am. You must be Adam.
That's right, it's so nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You look great today.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Good evening, welcome.
Thank you.
Good evening, here are your menus.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I'll give you a few minutes. Everything looks delicious.
I know, it's hard to choose.
Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Then we're both trying something new.
That's true.
I like trying new restaurants,
Me too. It's always fun.
especially when the company is good.
I'm happy to hear that.
So, how was your day?
It was busy, but good.
Busy at work?
Yes, I had several meetings.
That sounds tiring.
A little, but I'm glad the day is over.
Mine was busy too.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Really? That's wonderful.
I enjoy helping people learn.
That must be rewarding.
It is. Every day is different.
I work as a software engineer.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I like solving problems and building new things.
That sounds interesting.
Are you ready to order drinks? Yes, please. What would you like?
Just water with lemon, please.
I'll have the same. So, tell me something about yourself that most people don't know.
I love painting.
Really?
Yes, I paint on weekends. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to English GF. I'm Eve, and today we're doing something a little different. Instead of sitting in a classroom, we're learning English while riding through this beautiful ranch. When you meet someone, don't just say hello. Native speakers say, "Hey, how's it going?" or "Good to see you." Now, repeat after me. "Hey, how's it going? How have you been?" Excellent. I'm riding through the countryside. The weather is amazing today. I'm enjoying the fresh air. This view is absolutely beautiful. Notice how natural these sentences sound. Instead of saying, "I am very happy," try saying, "I'm having a great time." I'm loving this. Repeat after me. I'm having a great time.
This place is beautiful.
I come here whenever I want to relax. Yes.
I usually ride every weekend. That's awesome.
Would you like to join me sometime?
I'd love to.
Let's learn some words you'll hear in everyday English. Trail, stable, ranch, countryside, sunrise, adventure, freedom, confidence. Listen carefully. Road, horse, house. Practice these pairs slowly. Good pronunciation makes you easier to understand. Suppose someone asks, "What do you do in your free time?" Instead of saying, "I ride horse," say, "I enjoy horse riding. I like spending time outdoors," or "I love exploring nature." Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in the comments or out loud. What do you enjoy doing on weekends? Have you ever ridden a horse? What's your favorite outdoor activity? I hope you enjoyed today's lesson from the ranch. Remember, English isn't just something you study. Keep practicing, stay confident, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to English GF and I'll see you in the next English adventure. Until then, take care, keep learning, and keep speaking English. Bye!
Now, let's ride! Woohoo! Let's go!
Hello, everyone. My name is Eve. Welcome to English Global Fluency. Today, I will show you my daily routine. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. The alarm clock rings. I open my eyes. I stretch my body. Then, I get out of bed. First, I brush my teeth. Then, I wash my face. I look in the mirror. Now I feel fresh and ready for the day. Next, I take a shower. Warm water helps me feel relaxed. After my shower, I dry my hair. Now I am cream. Then I get dressed. Today, I wear my navy blazer and white blouse. I take my tablet and notebook. Now I am ready to leave. Breakfast is my favorite meal. Today, I eat toast, eggs, and fresh fruit. I drink a glass of orange juice. A healthy breakfast gives me energy. After breakfast, I go to work. I enjoy walking in the fresh morning air. I always arrive on time. I am an English teacher. I teach students every day. We learn grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and speaking. I love helping people learn English. At noon, I eat lunch. After lunch, I read a book for a few minutes. Reading helps me learn new words. In the evening, I go home. I cook dinner. Then, I relax and watch an English video. Before I sleep, I brush my teeth again. I read a book for a few minutes. Then, I turn off the light. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Good night. Thank you for learning with me today. What time do you wake up? Write your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye!